back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clone yourself in video using VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to clone yourself in VN, you need to first of all go to VN editor. Once you are in your VN editor, you need to film yourself in different spots with a steady camera. You need to now add your main video and then use picture in picture track to overlay your other clips, applying a mask linear to reveal only parts of each clone. You can now adjust the mask handles to create clean edges for a seamless look, making them appear to interact. So this is how you can simply mask the clone. You can repeat the process for additional clones, placing them on a new PIP track and masking them accordingly. You can now adjust the timing and placement of each clone layer and export your final video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.